All right, bikeaholics, let's face it, motorcycle batteries are frickin' expensive. So we all want to get the most out of them that we can. In this video, I'm going to show you some products that help me do that because I use these on all of my bikes. Welcome back, bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I always thank you. That's right, you, for checking back in. All right, so we are going to be going over some battery tenders. I know it seems simple. There's a little bit more to it that you should know. We're going to discuss that in this video without getting overly complicated. The products you see in this video are tried and tested here. We trust them here at Law Abiding Biker Media. They are available in the Law Abiding Biker store. Links in the description below. We are just a bootstrap company of bikers trying to help as many bikers as we can worldwide. So we definitely appreciate you shopping in our store. We appreciate every customer, and we will definitely take care of you. All right, so a couple different battery maintainers, tenders, chargers, whatever you want to call them. There are differences between brands and models. Now, of course, we are going to continue to sell the Deltran battery tender juniors. These have been around a long time. With that said, this is really your basic, bottom line entry level battery tender. It's not very smart like some of these Optimates that we're going to talk about. With that said, you can easily bump up to something like these Optimates, which I highly recommend. It's not that much more expensive, and we're going to talk about some of the additional tech and smart things that are in these different chargers. One of the first things I'll say is with these Optimate chargers that we're carrying, they are duos. And that means that they charge both lead acid and lithium ion. The nice thing is they're very smart, and they simply know when you plug your battery in, which type of battery you have it connected to, and they will take over and charge appropriately from there. Unfortunately, with the battery tender juniors, you have to actually select. So I do have bikes with lithium ions and some with lead acid. And so when I switch the chargers around, I have screwed it up before and forgot to switch it from lead acid. You actually have to push the button. There's two lights, and you have to tell this charger which battery you're on. Is it a huge deal? I don't know. But again, I think right now for like $4 more, you can get the Optimate, and it will just figure it out for you. The less to mess with, the better for me. And just real quick before you leave the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Every time there's a hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd certainly love to have you be part of it. All right, so I'm going to break the Optimates down for you. In this video, we're mostly going to just deal with motorcycles. So we've got the Optimate 1 Duo and the Optimate 2 Duo. Don't worry, I'll kind of tell you the differences here in a minute. But first, I want to tell you basically is what is going to come in your box when you get it. So as you unbox both, of course, you're going to get the main units, the charging and maintainer unit. And then additionally, you're going to get a pigtail in the box. Now you can connect those pigtails directly to your battery, your negative and positive, and then it's just a quick dual pin connect that you can plug in at any time. We all know our Hardys are all coming with that now. With the Duo 1, I will tell you that that one is your typical brick that plugs right into the wall. And your Duo 2 actually has a long cord that plugs into the wall, then the box, and then another cord that goes to your dual pin to your motorcycle to charge it. And also to mention, both units are coming with your typical battery terminal clamp. So if you just want to clamp a negative and positive odd, and then your dual pin, you can charge a battery that way too. So that's what's in your boxes. All right, so let's first break down the Optimate 1 Duo. The Duo on all of these means that it charges lithium or lead acid, and it's smart, and it just figures it out when you plug it in. That's what's really nice. This is your entry level charger, going to be really good for motorcycles. It plugs right into the wall. You've got your pigtail, of course, coming off your bike. And by the way, we do carry extra pigtails in the Law Abiding Biker store, link in the description below if you want to put them on different bikes and switch them around. And so this is going to be a slow charger maintainer that you can plug on your bike, set it, and forget it. It's smart. It's not going to overcharge. It's not going to undercharge, but it does charge at a very slow rate at 0.6 amps. Again, that is for the Optimate 1 Duo basic charger. You'll love it if you get it. All right, and just real quick, we'll get right back into your video. As you can imagine, a ton of man hours, expenses, and effort go into keeping this channel going strong. There is a way you can support us by becoming a patron member, and I'll link to it in the description below. There are many benefits for becoming a member, such as t-shirts and stickers, access to the private Facebook group, a troll-free zone, seriously nothing but bikers, helping and connecting with other bikers in there, access to live video broadcasts and chat, podcasts early, access to premium videos upon request, and of course access to all the ride, meetup, and events. We really appreciate you considering becoming a member. Let's get back into your video. And behind me here, let me grab the Optimate Duo, which has a bit more technology. Of course, it is a little bit more expensive. So the first thing you'll note is it doesn't plug right into the wall. It's got the plug there, goes into your wall. It's got some length there for you. And then this side, even more to get to your bike, to your dual pin. So this is a single unit, meaning it's for one bike. Everything I'm going to tell you is going to apply to all of the Optimate 2 Duo series in our store, but you've got a 1, a 2 bank, and a 4 bank, meaning you could have one plug and then 4 of these would be coming out of our 4 bank, meaning you could charge 4 bikes instead of having to plug in a whole bunch of individual ones. But there's also some more benefits to the Optimate 2. And those benefits are that this series charges at a higher rate at 2 amps. So your bike is going to charge up much quicker if that's important to you to get it going. Also built in, very smart, is that it knows if there is a cell bad in your battery, and so you don't have to worry about any overheating issues. This thing is going to recognize that, and it is not going to charge that battery, which cannot be said for the Optimate 1 series. So just something to be aware of, a few more protections as you move up. And so I showed you the Deltran earlier, something that it does not have also that these have. These not only charge and maintain, they also can recover your battery. If it's very drained all the way down to 4 volts, it will pick it back up and get some life back in it for you. Another nice thing about the Optimates over the Deltran Battery Tender Juniors is they provide more information for you here. So basically, you know, if it's plugged in and powered on, you're going to have a green light. And then if your battery drops to below 12.4 volts for whatever reason, you're going to have it yellow and green, and it's going to tell you that. And a reason that it might be dropping below 12.4 volts is you left a light on, or you have some major draw, or you left your ignition on. It would tell you, hey, you got something going on, and then you could figure that out. Moving up to the Optimate 2 series, again, all of them, the 1, the 2, and the 4 bank. You've got even more information here, of course, power on. That guy right there is what I talked about. If one of your cells was bad and it just wouldn't charge, it's going to tell you that, which is really nice. And then also over here, it's going to display lights if you're dropping below 12.4 volts. And then, of course, when your battery is full there. And although we're keeping it mostly to motorcycles, another benefit to bumping up to something like the Optimate 2 Duo series is, again, they charge at 2 amps over the 0.6 on the Duo 1, meaning that this is going to be more suited for maybe your boat or your car or something like that. So you can get a little more use out of this one. All right, I have a few more thoughts on why you should have your bikes on battery tenders, but I practice what I preach. So literally, as we look around the law-abiding biker shop here and the different bikes and things, all these bikes or any bikes that come in and out are always on battery tenders. And when I say always, I mean always. So year-round, whether it's summer or winter. A lot of people just think of battery tenders in the winter when your bike's sitting. Well, I can't ride all my bikes every day. And so one bike might sit for a couple weeks because I'm using the other one. And so I always just keep it on a tender. Once you buy these things, you're going to have them for many, many years. And the fact that keeping them on at all times is just maintaining your battery. It's going to make that battery just have a longer lifespan, which means savings and money in your pocket. So I strongly encourage everybody to get hooked up with battery tenders for your motorcycles. I put them on my lawn tractors, anything really that has a battery. My Ford truck, if it sits. Anyways, We've got a lot of options for you in the Law Abiding Biker store. Again, links in the description below. And we appreciate each and every one of you. Peace.
I was a boy with a plan that turned me into a man. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again. On business is right where I stand. Never been slipping on sand. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I